Alrighty y'all, what's going on today? Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the Beats Solo3 wireless on-ear headphones. I actually won these not too long ago at a little studio convention, and you know, it's funny because I never thought of these as mixing or professional like studio headphones, because they're really not. They're really great consumer headphones, and that's pretty much the extent of it. But if you're looking for solid headphones that will last you a while and that do really sound great, I would highly recommend these. They're not the most honest, so I just wanted to kind of preface this before I get into it, just because I am a very big audio buff. So yeah, let's talk about the build first, I guess. So you do have this, the headphones first of all feel very nice. You have basically a kind of a plastic casing around them. You do have this aluminum style headband. I'm pretty sure this is like aluminum, some sort of metal, that runs up along the band and onto the outside of the actual cans. And so that's really cool. It just makes it basically stronger than plastic, which is nice. You have it's a little bit cushioned up here as well. I wish it was maybe cushioned a little bit more, because after a while of wearing them, you can definitely feel that like fatigue setting in. But you know, it definitely goes, I guess, with a sleek profile of them, so it makes sense in terms of the look. On the ears, you have this cushioning right here. By the way, these are totally adjustable as well, which is really nice. So they do fit. I have a pretty big head. They fit my head nicely, and they are totally adjustable. As you make your way down, you get the cushions that are on the ears. Cushions they're good. They're, you know, comfortable. Not anything insane. They kind of have like that like faux leather nylon stuff. Also, if you will notice, right here they have ripped. This was basically just from them being used when I was working out. I'm pretty sure water just got to it eventually, or like sweat got to it eventually and kind of just weakened the fabric and then eventually tore it. So unfortunately, not the strongest. I would recommend them not for maybe working out if you're doing like really high intensive sweaty workouts, because they're, you know, obviously they just don't hold up very well. You do get 40 hours of battery life with these things, which is pretty great. So you can use this for a long time after a charge, meaning only like 5 or 10 minutes of charging and you get like a couple hours of use out of them. So the cool thing is they charge really quickly too. The way that they charge is through this little USB port here, the miniature USB port. You also have your auxiliary port on the other side too. So, you know, if you don't want to use them wirelessly, you don't have to. But yeah, you connect right here with the Bluetooth. Very simple, just like you would connect any other Bluetooth device to your phone or computer, which is really nice. And also, you know, you have the case that it comes with too. The case is really nice. Basically just gives you a good way to store these things up. The cool thing is they fold in it's really kind of hard to do with one hand. There you go. But they fold up like this in a nice way too. So they're very easy to store in their case and they're not in use. That's one thing I really like about them, is I guess like how portable they are. It's so much better than regular over-the-ear headphones where you have to kind of scrunch them up together to get them to fit anywhere. As for the actual sound on these things, like most Beats headphones, they definitely have a heavier response in like the bass frequencies. They usually boost them around like 50 to like 100 hertz. So if you're into music at all and you know anything about frequencies, know that they definitely hype up certain low frequencies to make your music sound, you know, make that beat heavier. I guess that's why they're called Beats. So that is one thing to keep in mind. But you know, that makes things sound really good. Even if it's not honest, it makes them sound great. The wireless works really well. I'm not really sure how far you can walk away, although I've, you know, left my phone sitting around and just walked around the house wearing these, and you know, you can music still is there and it plays back pretty effortlessly. And yeah, that's, you know, they're pretty solid in that respect. Other than that, that's pretty much all I have to say about these. If you're looking for a good pair of consumer headphones, the Beats Solo3s, they're really great. And, I know there's a lot of hype behind them, but I want to say, they are solid, and I would recommend getting a pair if, you enjoy listening to hyped up music. Alrighty guys, take it easy.